Kenni. And here's my little sister. I'm not saying her real name because I did that and it embarrassed me. Her name is Harp. That's her nickname. That's her YouTube channel for now. Can you say hi, Harp?
Hi.
Say hi. Come on, Harper. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. My water.
She's about to turn 4. She's 3. 3. 3. Okay. So I went to a flashback. And this was when we did the drawing contest, round 1. And so it took me back when she was in the video, and I was like, oh my gosh, I said her name. So you can go back to that one and see her real name. And so yeah, we just got her a YouTube channel today. So next month is going to be Christmas. So I am so crazy about Christmas. I mean, it's my favorite holiday because it's Jesus' birthday. Okay, so you guys have fun. Have a great thing. Well, break off, I guess.
Thank you.
What'd you say? Love you?
Yeah.
She loves you guys. And I do too. I mean, like, YouTube is kind of like my...
What's your name?
I sit in my office all day and watch video games. I wish Ice Cupcake. I'm obsessed with her. Why won't she respond? It's so sad. I mean, I did text her, but
I got my joke.
yeah, she's in preschool. We're eating some...
Yeah.
They're called pickle chips. Yum. They're really good.
Pickle chips.
Okay. Listen to this. It's been a year of YouTubing. I started last year. I'm in 3rd grade. My teacher is Mrs. Mendenhall. She's the 3rd grade ranger.
My teacher name is Mrs. Beth.
Her name is not Mrs. Vest. It's Mrs. Vest. So, leave in the comments what me and my little sister Harper, her name is Harper.
Mine have 4 classes.
You have 4 classes?
Like that one.
Mm-hmm.
I have Bevan, Parker, and Bevan's name is Bevan. Father's name is Dayton.
Mm-hmm.
And
She's thinking.
there's 2 classes in my room, and we have to pick up, hurry the doorbell, and dance your data.
Epic burp, Harper. High 5. Ah. Oh, that was so funny. Nice burp, Harp. Now that was fake. Let's stop. Okay. So, class. Like, is this video about eating chips and burping? What? She ate it! There's like 20 chips. There's 20 chips in there. I only got 7. She got like all of them.
Yeah.
Good. So, next, comment down because this like, what, 1,000 years ago?
I thought
No.
you.
It was last year when we were in second
I thought
grade.
you borrowed.
What? Show my bottle. It's so embarrassing when people take my stuff. She back flushes. She didn't even flush the toilet. But fake. Okay, bye guys. We're gonna end this episode. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Peace. And the peace